Sir, what is your observation regarding this ongoing election in Uttar Pradesh?
I believe that Akhilesh is the best candidate available today. I work for him. I will work for him till the end. And at least the stupid actions of the father have already been neutralized. I believe that the people of India today are wiser. They will not return the crooks back to power. I wish Akhilesh will succeed. I pray for him, and I am incidentally praying for the people of India. This defeat in UP will be a conclusive prediction of what is going to happen in 2019.
Sir,
What is going to happen in other states?
we have never seen any prime minister going for so many sabhas during elections. Do you think he is misusing his position when he is asking vote for his party?
You don't have to ask my inference about it. What is your inference? His inference is that he is words, that's all. He doesn't mean anything. A man who has cheated the army, our patriotic protectors of our freedom and independence. I am fighting that matter in the Supreme Court.
Sir, I have a question closer home. In Madhya Pradesh, there are almost 7 to 8 lakh government employees in the unreserved category. They are suffering because of the reservation and promotion policy. Any message for the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister on this?
Now look, I have had a meeting with the people who were interested in this question, and I believe that the present arrangement has someday to come to an end, that's for sure. It cannot possibly be a completed eternal thing, eternal feature of Indian politics, no. This, particularly when you are talking of the promotion people, that is where the injustice seems to be a little more hurtful. Ultimately, that will also come to an end, but please do not create any animosity. I suggested to people this morning that please meet together and let us evolve some solution of this particular problem, that some justice should be done to those who are suffering because of that policy. And on the other hand, I don't believe that those who are beneficiaries of this reservation have completely resolved their problem for which these reservations were created. I think an intelligent dialogue and some adjustment is very essential, and I hope now that I have heard about this from the people here, and this morning only, be sure that I will do my best to help a solution of this problem. But please don't ask me to tell you the final solution here. I have not applied my mind.
Four days back, Supreme Court has cancelled some 650 medical admissions in Madhya Pradesh. They were recruited through Vyapam. You must have heard about this Vyapam scam,
Yeah.
the multi-crore high-profile scam. What do you think about this? The Madhya Pradesh government is reacting like this. It was the government who exposed the entire Vyapam scam. But some 650 admission has already been cancelled by the Supreme Court.
But I don't pretend to be an expert in every branch of law, and I am also too busy with my criminal cases, my civil cases, constitutional cases, and my teaching, and of course my pursuit of personal pleasure. I have not given up that too. wait for me. Now I've heard this, and I will devote a lot of time to it, and inshallah we'll find a solution.
So they are
We just
surprised
want-
to
sir,
know
we just-
about your age. At this age, what years of age you play badminton? So they want some health tips from you.
Well, if you want to live to this ripe old age of 94 or more, play badminton. Keep good company. Keep yourself happy. Huh? Lively company.
Sir, as you said that Congress and BJP are the two aspects of a coin, then sir, whom shall we vote?
Well, at least today, the vote is imminent in UP. At least don't vote for the crooks. You know who they are.
Sir, only crooks are available.
That is.
Sir, according to you, whose prospects
Then
are...
you can't give up hope in life because it may be a very tragic situation. I agree with you, it is a tragic situation.
Who is
but
going to win UP
Sir,
elections?
whose prospects are bright in Punjab, then Goa, according to you?
Well, I am told,
UP also.
but according to me, no. I also go by statements which I get from people who have worked there. I personally think that Punjab, AAP had lost hope at one time, but during this election campaign they have come up very well, and today the expectation is that AAP is going to win.
And in
And
Goa?
UP?
Huh?
In Goa?
But I really don't know
And
much
UP?
about
And UP?
UP Akhilesh.
Sir,
Akhilesh, he is clean. Nobody has at least attacked him for any corruption.
And Goa?
Huh? But
सर ये जानना चाहते हैं कि इस
देखो बेटा, I am not an astrologer. I also am a person who meets people, talks to people, and gets their opinion. Sometimes I get bad opinions as well, and I am also human. I may make mistakes.
सर इस उम्र में आपकी सक्रियता का राज, आपकी इस एनर्जी का राज क्या है? इस उम्र में आप इतने सक्रिय हैं, इतने वोकल हैं, इतना घूमते फिरते हैं, लोगों से मिलते हैं, बैडमिंटन खेलते
इतने
हैं,
लोगों से दुश्मनी लेते हैं.
तो क्या है ये एनर्जी का राज?
Well, there are certain things which you can learn from me in secret.
So, would you like to comment on whatever happened in Tamil Nadu?
Wasn't she a foolish woman who knew that the judgment is expected in a day or two and she is trying to be the... And surely her lawyers, after the arguments were over and the judgment was reserved, must have told her that there is not much chance of your succeeding. I don't know what this woman was expecting to happen.
Sir, you are providing some certificate of excellence to Tanvi. What is all that?
Look, I have known her as a student